little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful frog. Here I am drawing the frog, then I will color it with rainbow color. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This is so easy to draw a beautiful frog. I complete to draw the dress. Now it's time to color it. Here I am using watercolor to color this beautiful frog. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Here I am using red color. Now I am using light brown color. This is yellow color. This is deep yellow color. Now I am using the light green color. This is light blue color. Here I am using the orange color for the body part. Now I am using turquoise color for the waist. And here I am using deep green brush pen color for the sleeves. Wow, the dress is looking so pretty. You should also draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids. Wow!